Hello everyone, I am going to teach you the basic commands in command prompt on Windows. So first, what is command prompt? So command prompt is a command line interface. It's basically an app that uses commands to operate the laptop or the PC that you use. So command line is dates back way before because it's very simple. So it's most often used in PCs with no graphical in graphic user interface. So the graphic user interface is what you see right now in the desktop. Like there's pictures, there's icons, and there's graphics. And there's a mouse that you can use for interaction. So in order to open command prompts, you need to search it here, command, or you can just use the Windows button and R and type CMD and click OK. So the first command is dir. dir. So what is dir? Dir is the short term for directory. A directory is a command that displays all of the apps or folders or files in that specific file location. So let's click enter. Like just like what you see here. This is all the files that you can see in the user 680. So since this place is very uh, lots of folders and we can see it clearly here, we'll change the directory. So in order to change directory, we need to use chdir or just cd. It means change directory. So example, let's change it to the desktop so we can see this desktop. chdir space desktop. Enter. So now our directory has been changed to the desktop. So let's use the command dir again. So here, so as we can see here, there are apps like the BitTorrent and the files, the directories, like church stuffs here, Excel here, and so much more. So let's go to a very specific folder or directory because we'll be using that. So ch dir and my name. So there. So let's use the dir again. Like here, the directories and second year. There's more T-port. Okay, so the next command is we are going to make a folder or a directory. So the command for this is mkdir. Mkdir is just a short term for make directories or make a folder. So mkdir space the name that you want it to have. So let's say new folder. Enter. And as you can see, oh wait, sorry. Let's do that one more time. So space in this command line is very important because the space means it has you made another command. So let's do this again. mkdir As you can see, the new folder has been separated into new folder and the folder. So in order to make a two-word file name, we need to use quotation marks and place new folder again. And you can see there's a new folder here. Okay, so the next command that I'll teach you is copy. Copy is just, you can just place copy because it's the command line for copy. Copy, and let's say this practice text. Copy space practice dot txt space the location that you want it to be placed. So let's say in the new folder. New, no wait, we'll use the quotation marks. New folder. So there, we can read the text that one file has been copied. So let's go to the new folder and you'll see a practice.txt here. There's a copied practice.txt and there's another practice.txt here. So let's copy the practice text in the same folder. So copy practice.txt. You can just click enter because it will just be placed or copied in the same folder. Oh, 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 okay. I'm sorry. So the next command is move. So let's say let's move the practice text number two, I practice number two text to new folder again. Practice number dot space to txt to new folder. There. One file has been moved. So you can see there's no practice number two.txt here, and we'll go to the next folder, new folder. There's the practice number two text here. So the next command is rename a file. So let's rename this practice text. The command line for rename is ren or rename. Let's just use rename. Rename practice.txt space the name that you want it to be renamed. So let's say hello.txt. Enter. And as you can see, the practice text has became a hello.text. So the next command is delete. Delete is just, deleting a directory or a file. So let's delete this new and folder. Use delete or just del. We'll use the del. Delete new, enter. Are you sure? Type y and enter. Mm. It seems that it will not delete a directory. Let's try deleting the port excel. Port.xl xisl. Del- There. The file has been deleted. So the next one is exit. Exit will quit the command line like this. Exit. There. So let's open this again. Then the next command is type. Type is a very specific command line for text files only. Type shows what text are inside or what words are inside the text. For example, let's place letters here or words. Hello, beautiful people. Smiley face. Close. Save. Type hello.txt. Oh, wait. We need to change the directory again. CD desktop. CD. There. So let's try this again. Type hello txt. There. We can see that the text in this notepad has been placed in the command line too. So the next command is fc. fc, what fc is compare one file on another file. So let's try this. Folder practice number 2. Okay, there, hello world. So let's compare hello.txt space and practice number space 2.txt. There. Ah, need to change this to X, space it here. And then another tip, if you want to do that one command line that you made, you can just click the arrow up and there. So again, let's put enter. And there it is, the comparison. The hello.txt has hello beautiful people, and the practice number 2.text has hello world. So the next command is cls. CLS, what CLS basically does is clear all the words or the lines in command prompt. Click enter and there it is. So that's it for today. And if you want uh, to dive deep more on the commands in command prompt, you can use command help. The command help gives you all the commands that you can do in the command prompt. So another tip is, let's say we'll use the attrib. Attrib displays or change the file attributes. But if you don't know what attrib does or what to use in attrib, you can use question mark. Oh wait, attrib. Never mind. I forgot how to do that. So thank you and goodbye.
Hello again, guys. So now let's explore Ubuntu's terminal. So what is Ubuntu? Um, Ubuntu is a part of Linux. It is free and an open software, just like other OS like Windows. In Windows, you can control or command in CMD, but here in Ubuntu, it's called terminal. So Ubuntu's terminal is different from CMD. So let's go explore Ubuntu. Let's just click this many dots, show applications, and then here just type terminal and then click enter. So first let us type ls. So what is ls? As you can see, ls is called list in Windows. It's a list of all directories. Next is our cd. What is cd? Cd command or change directory. That's the cd. And let's try to go our desktop. Just type cd and then let's go to our desktop. You can see we are now addressed at our desktop directory. So if we go back to our home directory, just simply type cd slash l. So that's how you go back to our home directory. So now what is pwd? So pwd is called print working directory. It's just printing your current directory. Like I'm in my home. So now let's make a file. So just type where you want to put your file. In this case, I want to go desktop. So let's type cd and then let's go to desktop. Oops, sorry. Desktop. And then click enter. So the command to create a text file through the terminal is just type uh, double arrow and then your text file. I just want to name it text dot text and then click enter. So now let's check. So let's check our directory. There we successfully created our text. And now let's copy or rename the file by typing this command mv space the name of the file text dot text and then space the name of the file that you want to rename or copy. So just in this case I'm just gonna type text2 dot text. So and then enter. So let's check again our directory. So here we successfully renamed our file to text2. And that's how you rename a file in here in Ubuntu. And now let's create a file. Just open your directory location. I just want to use desktop again, and to create a folder just type mk and then dir space create the folder, just a folder folder. And then here in desktop, let's check if we successfully created our folder, and yes, we successfully created our folder. So now what we do is let's move our recent created text file to this folder. To move the file, just type mv and then the file name text2 dot text, and then just type our uh, address directory. So I just type our folder desktop slash our folder, and then click enter. So now let's check if our text file is no longer there. As you can see, there's no longer there, and then let's go to our folder directory. So let's just type cd and then our desktop slash folder. So here in folder, let's check if our file is here. So as you can see, we successfully moved our file here in folder that we created. And yeah, if you want to leave the terminal, just type exit, and the terminal is exited. So let's check all folder if there's our text file. And that's it. I hope you learned from our Ubuntu terminal exploration. Thank you.